Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming on to share my boho journal with you. It's finally completed after months and months of working on this journal. Lots of you may have seen the videos where I've been working on the journal. So I did a video on how I did the cover. I've done an embellishment video decorating blank pages, and I've also done a few more. I'll leave a playlist in the description box down below, so you can check all of those out if you are interested on watching the progress of this journal. So it's quite chunky. The signatures are sewn in here. I'll show you that. Let me just undo it. So it's tied with some seam binding just around a button, and I've put some beads on the edge of the seam binding. And then where I've actually sewn in the signatures, I've embellished them. I know some people have done buttons, but in this case I've just put some dangly charms, and they add like a really nice touch, and they sound really nice. I really like the sound. This is a table runner that I've used for the top of it. Now the kit that I've used is available in my Etsy store, so again I'll leave the link to the description to that down below in the description box. Oh, just noticed there's a pin in there. Must have been from when I've done the cover. Let me just put that there. Right, so it's super chunky. Some of the pockets aren't filled because I'm going to try and use this journal throughout the summer just to memory keep and stuff like that. And I know that I'll want to add a few photos, a few snippets of things here and there. So I've left a little bit of it blank. The journaling page, some of the pages are blank, so I can journal on them, and some of the pockets are empty. So beautiful image that's printed onto tea stained paper. So in here I've just got a journaling card and some tea stained paper stenciling on the pages. Now I won't go into the embellishments in too much detail because, like I said, I've done a video. Beautiful fabrics. This page, it is an envelope. It's open as a tuck spot at the top there. But this is actually jelly printing onto packing tape. Now I did mention in one of my previous videos if someone would like a tutorial on it, I am happy to do so, but I'm not sure if people are interested in it, so do leave me a comment down below if that's something you'd like to see the process of. There's lots of fold outs, as with the majority of my journals. So again, nice page from the kit. Just an envelope again that's included in the kit. Printed on a variety of different page sizes of page. I like doing that in the journal just to add some interest. And this is just a junk mail envelope that I've collaged onto. That's a Tim Holtz flower there. And inside there's just a fold out piece of paper. And then throughout the it's one of these things that you should just decide to do off camera. Now throughout the journal I've used these type of see-through vellum type stickers. There's a belly band there, and this is where I've transferred book page onto packing tape. You can see that I was really getting the use out of this packing tape. And there's a Tim Holtz embellishment there, and just a jelly print. If you want to know how to transfer the book pages, again I've done a video on it. I'll leave it in the description. Book pages there, just some fabric embellishments, and these are just jelly prints that I've just embellished and images from the kit. Beautiful middle page, and I have sewn some beads onto it. Beautiful mottled bead there. Love that one. They're not quite long enough though to hang out the bottom of the journal, so I made a mistake there. Another jelly print in here. And that's a tuck spot there. And this is just a page out of an Indian cookbook. So again, I thought that would be a great place just to journal on. Page from the kit. Another collage. And there's just a journaling card inside with a little bit of collaging on the back. Lots of people have gotten really into collage lately, and I've noticed that's pretty cool. Image there, just some stickers on the bottom corner. Pocket. That folds out. a lovely journaling card there. I think these are tarot cards or something along those lines. I might have got that slightly wrong. And it's just backed onto a satin fabric, tucked into the pocket there that's included in the kit. Again, that's just a tag tuck. Beautiful colours throughout this. I've tried to use really vibrant colours that you wouldn't necessarily normally put together. Like this tag, you wouldn't normally put this green, pinks and a little bit of blue together, but it really works well in boho journals. There's just an envelope in there that's from the kit. And this sort of mottled effect is just used by spraying. So I've got a tea solution and I just spray it onto paper and just leave it just to dry off. And that's actually a pocket there. Nothing in there, like I said. Again, more collaging. Here I've just actually used a dictionary quote to put in the middle of the window, and in there there's just a tea-dyed journaling card. Belly band there that's included in the kit, but again too full to include anything else, unfortunately. Now here there's just a glassine bag, and included is just a tea stained tag. So I've done a little bit of collaging on there just so you can see that. And here, this page is actually a temporary tattoo which I've transferred onto paper. Again, I did a video actually of me doing this. This was the first one that I did. It didn't quite come out as well as I hoped there, but there's another one later on in the journal which I'll show you, which came out perfect and I love it. I did it on video for you, so again, the link to that will be in the description. Now I actually did this page as a journal with me, so again you'll be able to check that out. There's just a journaling card in there, postcard there which is tea stained, and then there's just a junk mail envelope which is included just some journaling space. And I really like how the top of the junk mail has obviously just been ripped open, but I think it adds such a good element to the journal. And then on this side there's just a double tag which is acting as a tuck spot along with this little piece of fabric. And there's a piece of notepaper in there. And then just a page from an Indian cookbook. Thought I really like those images that are included, so I've popped that in there as well. Here is just another, I'm stuck for words today, a tag tuck spot. And this is actually just a Starbucks card. I use gift cards at the beginning of the month, just top them up and use them throughout the month, and I thought that went really well. So instead of chucking it, I just included it in here. Tea stained paper, little envelope, and that's the middle of the signature there. Again, that envelope is included in the kit. Beautiful tag here. Lovely fabric clusters. See, I've lost my words today. Another little collage with just some paper in there. I love that trim. That was actually a wider piece of trim that I've just cut in half, so that's why it's a bit jiggedy jaggedy. Now there's another tag that I created with the kit, and that's actually a piece of packaging, and again I've just put another quote, and it's a dictionary quote, and that just sticks in there. This is a pocket there, and then it's a pocket behind. And there's just a wee little envelope inside. Ooh. Just a tag. I don't really like the back. I think the back is, I think that was coffee, granules of coffee that I've put on there. But I thought the front, and it makes a nice tuck in there. I just love the images and the flowers and all the lovely colours of this journal. Again, there's just tea stained page. Lots of room for journaling because, like I say, I want to actually do a bit of memory keeping in this journal. I think that's empty, but that folds out. And that is the transfer of the, it's obviously really metallic, so it's coming up really shiny on the camera, and that's also another one there. They just come out beautiful. I really like it, and it goes really, really well with this journal, so I was really happy with that. Another junk mail envelope, and it's actually just got a piece of packaging on the top. There's another journaling card, and again I've put another charm which matches the ones that I've put on the signatures. Another Starbucks card, journaling card there, and it is open behind, and that is part of the tattoo kit that I used as well, or the set of tattoos that I used. Again, here's a pocket there, and there's a pocket there behind the fabric. Lovely double page spread. Oh, I should have put this in a slightly better location, because this is how it folds out, and then underneath the envelope there's some pages for journaling. So really, or I should put a paper clip there to hold it together, because when you turn the page it's a bit disjointed. But here, just put a little bit of collage in and embellishments. And in here is actually a mini journal. I love to include mini journals inside my actual journal. Now, this is made with the book page packing tape idea that I've shared. And inside, there's just tea stain paper of all different sizes. Again, I'm going to use this for actually journaling in. It's just backed with quite creased paper, which I actually really like. There's another journaling card. Oh, stuck on the stitcher. It was cut out. I had to improvise. You can't really tell from the front, but from the back you can tell. It's just a dictionary page inside. As it started getting to the end, it was increasingly more difficult to work, and as you can see, I'm having to hold it open for use. Just a double pocket there. That isn't anything that's included in the kit. That's just a piece of A4 paper, which is in a design paper in the kit, and I've cut it into pockets myself. And there we go, that's the end of that. So I really hope you guys have enjoyed this. I certainly have really enjoyed making this journal, and it is one that I'm absolutely going to treasure. It's going to go on my bookshelf, and I'm probably just going to look at it and adore it, like we should do with all of our scrumptious artwork that all us crafters do. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the links that I put in the description box of previous videos, and also the link to this kit in my Etsy store. Bye!